Sealing support methods. Cooper B-Line's flex tray can be installed and supported from the ceiling with threaded rod in several convenient and labor-saving ways. The patented flip clip requires no tools and can be locked in for permanent installations onto both 1/4 and 3/8 inch rod sizes. With the flip clip, you only need one hex nut to hang and level flex tray, no washers needed. This means less material and time needed to hang and secure your tray. First, position a nut on each threaded rod at the desired height. Lift the flex tray section into position, then attach the flip clip on the threaded rod and pre-positioned nut. Next, snap and hold one side of the flex tray onto the flip clip, then the other side. Bend the flip clip tabs to lock the flip clip onto the rod and then lock the tray section into position. For added labor savings and for fewer parts on the job site, consider Cooper B-Line's buzz nut when your next job calls for threaded rod to support your cable run. For additional versatility in installation and ceiling support, flex tray can be installed in center hung or traditional trapeze configurations with the Cooper B-Line center trapeze hanger. For lighter duty cable loads where the cable is laid rather than pulled through the run, the hanger can be used in the center support roll. Simply lift the flex tray section up to the threaded rod, lift the center trapeze hanger into position, and secure it with a nut. For added tray stability, bend down the hanger tabs over the wire on the bottom of the flex tray section. For heavier duty trapeze flex tray installation, simply mount the center trapeze hanger to the threaded rods positioned outside the tray width. Place the flex tray section over the trapeze hangers and lock down the tray by bending the tabs onto the tray wire. For smaller width tray, Cooper B-Line's hold-down plate is an ideal support solution. Simply slide a hold-down plate up onto the threaded rod, lift the tray section into place, and position a second hold-down plate on the threaded rod. Secure and tighten the hold-down plate with a nut. For light-duty applications, or as an alternative to threaded rod support, Cooper B-Line's quick wire sealing support is a good choice. Simply loop the wire through the flex tray's side and pull through the quick wire clamp until the tray is level. The quick wire can be attached to any side wire on the side of the flex tray, but the lower you attach it to the side, the greater the support stability. Before starting flex tray assembly procedures, please review the materials segment of this program for safety equipment details.